Let's learn IIB. Today, we will use the inbuilt feature of IIB to conduct unit testing. This feature, called Flow Exerciser, can be used to check logical tree structures at specific points in the flow. The Flow Exerciser is a tool that is available from the Flow Editor, Integration Service Editor, but not the REST API Editor. Recall from our previous videos that there are different types of IIB projects. Flow Editor can be used to modify applications, Integration Service Editor for web service, SOAP web services, and REST API Editor for RESTful services. You can use the Flow Exerciser to perform the following set of tasks. 1. Deploy the resource to an integration server and set the message flow to recording mode. 2. Create and send an input message. 3. You can save the recorded message tree for use later in another test. Using IBM documentation as reference, I create this YouTube video. Many developers don't refer the original product documentation. Instead, they prefer interpretations of IBM docs illustrated with pictures. Here is my interpretation. Here we have a simple flow that receives JSON data over HTTP. You can see the flow works properly by using Flow Exerciser. When we start the Flow Exerciser, the flow is deployed to the integration server and the flow is set to read-only mode. You cannot edit the message flow. The flow uses an HTTP node, input node, so we can click on the send message icon to create a sample message. We enter JSON structure in the expected format and send the message. When the message is sent, the path that the message took is highlighted on the flow. We can click on the connections between the nodes to see the content of the logical message tree at these points. If you want to edit the message flow, you must stop the Flow Exerciser. Many developers do not use Flow Exerciser. Instead, they prefer RFHutil, SOAP-UI, or Postman. Let me know in comments what you prefer for unit testing. Reply in comments. What did we learn today? We learned how to perform unit testing in IIB, what is a Flow Exerciser, what are its features, and how to use it. If you found the video to be useful, subscribe to my channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Code is available in GitHub and some documentation is available in the blog post. Links in description. See you in the next video.